the act. Don't break character. And your character is that of the valet. That's a fancy word for servant. Valet.
Hello. Hello.
The free man, he can ride what he pleases.
Not on my property. Not around my niggas, he can't.
My good sir, perhaps got off with the wrong boot. Allow me to unring this bell. Dr. King Schultz, and it is for these accused we've ridden from Texas to Tennessee to parley with you now. I wish to purchase one of your nigger gals.
You and your Jimmy rode from Texas to Tennessee to buy one of my nigger gals? No appointment, no nothing.
Oh, I'm afraid so.
Well, what if I don't like you, or you fancy pants nigger, and I wouldn't sell you a tinker's damn. Now, what you got to say about that?
Mr. Bennett, if you are the businessman I've been led to believe you to be, I have 5,000 things I might say that could change your mind.
Well, come on inside and get yourself something cool to drink.
Or maybe, while we discuss this, you could provide one of your loveliest black creatures to escort Django here around your magnificent grounds.
Oh, well, absolutely. Bettina.
Yes, every day.
What was Jimmy's name again?
Django.
Django. Bettina Sugar, could you take Django there and take him around the grounds here and show him all the pretty stuff?
As you please, Big Day.
Oh, Mr. Bennett, I must remind you, Django is a free man. He came like a slave. And within the bounds of good taste, he must be treated as an extension of life.
Understood. Bettina Sugar,
Yes.
Django isn't a slave. Django is a free man, you understand? You can't treat him like any of the other niggas around here because he ain't like any of the other niggas around here. You got it?
You want us to treat him like white folks?
No. That's not what I said.
Then I don't know what you want, Big Daddy.
Yes, I can see that. That Peckerwood boy from town that works with the glass. His mama work over at the lumber yard.
Oh, you mean Jerry?
That's the boy's name, Jerry. You know Jerry, don't you?